When you delete files or photos or messages on your iPhone, they're not actually deleted. And this is a fail-safe in case you decide to change your mind and you wanted to recover them. But if you actually wanted to delete them and remove that storage from your phone, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down. Type in Files and tap on the Files app at the top left. It usually defaults to iCloud Drive, so let's tap on Browse at the bottom right. You might need to tap it a couple times till you get to this screen. Tap on My iPhone, and then tap on Downloads. Let's say I wanted to download these files. I can do that by tapping the three dots at the top right, tapping Select, and then selecting these and tapping the trash can button at the bottom right. However, this doesn't actually delete the file. It just puts it in the recently deleted folder. So if you actually wanted to delete it, I'll show you how to find it. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again. And now tap on Recently Deleted at the bottom. You can see all of your recently deleted files. Tap the three dots at the top right and tap Select. And then tap on Delete All at the bottom right, and then Delete. Now, all of those files are permanently deleted, but this also is the case in your messages and photos. Let me show you how to find those as well. So let's open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And if you delete a photo, you can find it by tapping on Collections at the bottom right. Scrolling down until you find Utilities and tapping the drop-down arrow to the right of it, and then tapping on Deleted here. You'll be able to see sometimes this is locked with your Face ID, so let me just try to unlock it here, and you'll be able to see all of those recently deleted files. If I wanted to permanently delete them, I need to tap on Select at the top right, tap on the three dots, and then tap on Delete and delete from all devices. Now, let's also go through that process in your Messages app. Open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap on the three lines at the top right to get to the filter. Tap on Recently Deleted. You can see yet again, these are more recently deleted messages. You can tap on any of these. You can choose to recover them, or you can tap the trash can icon and hit Delete Messages to permanently delete these and help free up space on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.